Mastering English phrases. Understanding ring back. Hello, dear learners and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a very common phrase that can sometimes be a little confusing for English learners. Ring back. This phrase has a practical use in everyday English, and mastering it can help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of ring back together. When we hear the phrase ring back, it's all about communication, specifically telephone calls. To ring is a verb that means to call someone on the phone. Adding back to ring gives us a phrasal verb that means to return someone's phone call. Think of it this way: when someone calls you and you cannot answer at that moment, you might need to call them later. This action of returning a call is what we refer to when we say, "I'll ring you back," or "Can you ring me back?" It's important to know when and how to use this phrase correctly. Here are a few examples. 1. After a missed call. If you see a missed call on your phone from a friend, you might send them a message saying, "Sorry I missed your call. I'll ring back in 10 minutes. 2. During a call. If you are on the phone with someone and need to hang up but plan to continue the conversation later, you might say, "Can I ring back later? I'm just in the middle of something." 3. At work. If you're a receptionist or in a customer service role, you might tell a customer, "I don't have that information right now, but I will find out and ring back as soon as possible." While ring back is commonly used, especially in the UK and some other English-speaking countries, you might also hear the phrase, "call back." Essentially, they mean the same thing, but call back is more commonly used in American English. It's good to be familiar with both phrases, as you may encounter both depending on who you're talking to or what content you're listening to. Language is a reflection of culture, and in the case of ring back, it offers a glimpse into a more British English usage. Knowing such phrases adds to your cultural understanding and can enhance your communication skills, making you more adept at navigating different English-speaking environments. And that's a wrap on ring back. I hope this video has cleared up the meaning and use of this handy phrase. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will become in your everyday conversations. So, don't hesitate to ring back to this video if you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.